how to fix dual apps missing. So if you want to fix the dual apps option missing on your phone, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply tap and hold on to that application for 2 to 3 seconds, and then here you will have app clone option. Tap on app clone. Once you tap on it, you'll be able to have the dual app on your device, right? But if you don't have the dual app option on your device, then you can simply go and install it. So you need to open up your Play Store. Once you open it up, now you need to simply go with an application, which is Copy App, Dual App, or Activity Launcher, anything like that. So you just need to simply install the application. Once you've installed, then you'll be able to turn on the toggle for the application that you want the dual app. Or you can simply search for dual app, and you can go with multiple accounts dual space or dual app space. You can go with any one of these applications like clone app, multi-app, and everything, and you will be able to clone apps on your device. So that's how you can fix dual apps missing on your phone. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.